Hi everyone, there have been many updates about the IZER counseling process on the official website of IZERS, that is izeradmission.in. In this video, we are going to discuss the seat metrics for SCB channel and J Advanced channel both, and what are the process or various steps of the counseling. In this video, we are going to see that. Let's go to the computer screen and I will show you everything. So first of all, when you go to this official website of IZERS, that is izeradmission.in, you can see the latest update of 19th August that the admission tab is there for more information. Admission process can be seen here. We'll go there. If you see here in admission, there is a schedule given. Just view the schedule and we will see that the last date to file objection 20th July, all these things already happened. The first round of the admission offers, the opening date is 23rd of August and the closing date is 30th of the August. The second round of the admission offers will be 6th September and the closing date will be 10th of the September. Now JEE or KEY channel offers, they will be in the third week of the September. Now, so this was the schedule. Now if we go back and try to see the seat matrix, okay, if we try to see the seat matrix, you can see it's given in alphabetical order, you know, Berhampur, Bhopal, Kolkata, Mohali, Pune, TVM. And if you see the total number of seats given, you can see that maximum seat, if you see, the maximum seat is actually with IZER TVM. 223 seats are there with IZER Thiruvananthapuram. Then IZER Pune 216 seat after that. Okay, so you can see all categories and various categories, what are the seats offered or available in various IZERs. Then if we come to KEY and J Advanced channel, you can see how many seats are available for all the IZERs in different categories. Total there are 78 in IZER TVM and 72 in IZER Pune, again one of the highest. Okay, and for different categories you can see the seats here. Now the 3 seats for Kashmiri migrant candidates in IZER Bhopal can be actually merged into BS or BSMS programs if there is no applicant in that category. Okay, a lot of times it happens that there is no applicant from that category. So this was the seat matrix. Now if we go back and see the rank matrix, so it will be updated soon as the counseling rounds begin. So as the merit list gets released and how many people are called for first or second round of the counseling, it will be updated. Then if we come to view application process, now you just have to click there and actually log in into this portal and put your username and password, and whole counseling process will be from this website. So a lot of people who are saying that I will not get a mail or things like that, I will not get update, all you have to do is just come to this website. Even if you have put wrong mail ID or wrong phone number, a lot of people have done this and they have been messaging me for a long time. So here is the solution for you. Just keep checking this online portal, and when you log in, you will be given an option. You will be given the option that whether you are allotted in that counseling round or not. Okay, so whole counseling process will be happening through this portal only, just like it was for NEST, right? For NEST exam, they were releasing merit list and waiting list for various rounds of the counseling. So same will be happening here. Now if we come back to the admission process, okay, so let's see what is the process of admission. It is same as I had told you, okay, the counseling process. Now the counseling will be conducted online and there is no need for candidates to visit any IZER in person during the counseling process. So whole counseling process for IZERs will be online. Okay, you don't have to go to any of the IZERs. Then candidates can check if they received admission offers by logging into their application portal. So as you can see here, even if you have wrong mail ID or wrong phone number you had put in the application, you were worried you might not get any admission offer, but you can get, as you can see here. Then admission offers to any candidate will be strictly based on these factors. Obviously number of seats available there, what is your rank and all those things, and what is your category. Now if a candidate receives an offer letter, basically he or she can choose to accept the seat or reject it. If candidate rejects the seat, or if no action is taken, basically if you don't do anything, then candidate before the deadline, then the candidate will not be able to participate in the future rounds. Now if a candidate receives an offer letter and then to accept the seat is offered, candidate must pay, the student must pay seat acceptance fees through the online mode before the prescribed deadline. If you are not able to pay the fees, that is SAF seat acceptance fees, then you will not be allowed in further rounds of counseling process and you will not be given any of the seats. Then accepting the offer and paying the SAF, there are two options you have. First is you can just freeze and you will not participate in further rounds of the counseling. You will just get the ISER which you have chosen. And second is float option. So they will participate in further rounds of the counseling to get higher preferences. The float option is activated by default for anyone who pays the seat acceptance fees, but if you don't choose any freeze or float option, float option will be there by default. Now student who has chosen float option will be again considered for seat allocation in next round, and if they are eligible to secure a seat in an ISER that is higher than their preference list than the currently accepted one, they will be offered that seat. अगर आपको higher preference की seat मिलती है तो आपको मिल जाएगी. If seats in preferred ISERs are filled, and then the candidate will not be considered in further rounds of the counseling. So basically अगर किसी ISER की सीट फिल हो जाती है, ऑब्वियसली वो ISER और ज्यादा बच्चों को नहीं ले सकती, तो then the candidate will not be considered for further rounds of counseling if you are planning for that ISER. So वहां उस ISER का तो काउंसलिंग ही बंद हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Then for example, if candidate had given only two preferences as ISER X and ISER Y, if seats are filled, then candidate will not be offered for seat allocation anymore. The process happens even if the candidate has not been allotted any seat in the previous counseling rounds. So अगर आपको पिछले काउंसलिंग राउंड में भी कोई सीट्स नहीं मिली है, तब भी आपको अगले काउंसलिंग राउंड में नहीं मिल पाएगी, क्योंकि उस ISER की तो सीट भर गई है. नाउ एडमिशन ऑफर्स आर प्रोविजनल. दे विल बी कंफर्म्ड आफ्टर यू रिपोर्ट टू द ISERs. लेट्स से देयर इज सम issue with your documentation, and if some people give wrong information, then still this is just provisional. Everything will be verified. All these documents, as you can see here in new link, what are the documents you need to bring to ISERs. Now there will be first of all application which you can print and get a sign, your own sign and your guardian sign. Then self-attested copy of the offer letter you will have to print. Complete and signed application admission form. एडमिशन फॉर्म मस्ट बी डाउनलोडेड फ्रॉम योर अकाउंट. अगेन आपके अकाउंट से मिल जाएगा आप जब ऑनलाइन पोर्टल में जब काउंसलिंग में अपीयर करेंगे. देन सिमिलरली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट, योर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट्स, देन योर ओरिजिनल मार्कशीट्स और स्कोर कार्ड्स ऑफ SCB चैनल, देन ओरिजिनल एंड सेल्फ अटेस्टेड कॉपीज ऑफ द मार्कशीट ऑफ क्लास 10th, then proof of ID card, Aadhaar card, college ID, school ID, like that. Then Aadhaar card, then original proof of date of birth. Similarly, these documents are needed. This video is getting long, but you can all check this document list in the link in the description. Also, you can check in the official website. So I hope this video is clear and it was helpful. If there is any problem, any questions, just write in the comments below. I will be definitely answering them. If you want to message me or talk to me personally, just message me on my app Sayastra. And with that, all the best. We have already launched courses for next year aspirants of ISERs, NISER, ISI, CMI. We have courses for ISERs, NISER and CBS and ISI and CMI. So you can just check those courses in the link in the description and in my app Sayastra if you are preparing for next year. With that, all the best. Take care. See you in ISERs.